Hello and welcome to Elevate HR's Tips and Tricks for Dynamics 365 for Talent. Today we're going to talk about jobs. You can find jobs in Core HR and you can find jobs in the Attract app, but these are not the same jobs. If you create a job in Attract, you won't be able to find it in the Jobs page in Core HR. Located in the Core HR area, jobs and positions are the foundation of Dynamics 365 for Talent. Together, they describe the role that an employee fills with your company. The job record describes work that is done and expectations of anyone who holds the job. Positions, on the other hand, describe where organizationally the work that is described in a job is done. Positions drive reporting structures, cost elements, workflow and approvals, and regional pay differences. You can also create jobs in the Attract app. These jobs represent organizational vacancies that you want to recruit for. Like the job record in Core HR, jobs in the Attract app also describe work that is done and expectations of anyone who wants to apply for the job. But each job in the Attract app also represents one headcount, much like positions in Core HR. It has information about applicants who have applied for the job, the hiring team, and tasks that are involved in the recruitment process for the job listing. Now that you've seen the difference between job records in the Core HR area and in the Attract app, it's clear that they serve different purposes. Jobs in Core HR are related to employees, while jobs in the Attract app are related to candidates. However, there is some integration that helps bridge the gap between candidate and employee, making your HR life a little easier. After a candidate accepts an offer, Talent copies the candidate's information into Personnel Management under Candidates to Hire. From there, you can begin the onboarding process. This concludes our discussion of jobs in Core HR and the Attract app. To learn more about Dynamics 365 for Talent, contact Elevate HR for a demo today.